Welcome everybody to my first ever video on this channel. It is the ATC24 guy here, and today I'll be giving you guys a guide on how to guide an aircraft from the very beginning when they enter your airspace all the way to their gates. I'll be controlling the eyes on the runway center with runway 28 in use. Let's go. Now, just as a pre-warning, the genius that I am hadn't actually hit record until about 30 seconds after talking to the first aircraft, Cathay 5885. So I'm just going to run you guys through what was said.
Cathay 5885 approaching your airspace from the west.
Cathay 5885, radar contact is established. Expect vectors for the ILS of runway 28. For now, descend and maintain 3000, fly heading 120.
Vectors 28, 3000 and heading 120. Cathay 5885.
Now the guys are all caught up. Let's get into the video. Cathay 5885, further descent to flight level 020, speed 250 knots.
Roger, descend 020, speed at or below 250 knots, Cathay 5885.
Cathay 5885, further descent to 1,500 feet.
Roger, Cathay 5885, 1500.
Oh, Cathay 5885, sorry, I forgot to tell you, QNH 1027, my bad.
Roger, QNH 1027, Cathay 5885.
Cathay 5885, further descent to 1,000 feet.
Roger, further descent 1000, Cathay Pacific 5885, sorry my co-pilot had to go.
Don't worry, you're all good.
Cathay Pacific 5885, we have runway 28 in sight.
Roger, Cathay 5885, make a left turn heading 010.
Left 010, Cathay Pacific 5885.
Cathay 5885, would you prefer ILS or visual approach?
I would prefer ILS.
Roger.
Cathay Pacific 5885, request ILS runway 28.
Cathay 5885, I'm just gonna wait a tiny bit just so you're not on a ski path. Or joining the ILS too late, I mean.
If I join it now, we should be fine.
Roger, Cathay 5885, left turn heading 310, cleared ILS runway 28.
310, cleared ILS runway 28, Cathay Pacific 5885. Cathay Pacific 5885, very short final runway 28.
Cathay 5885, surface winds are 124 at 5 knots, cleared to land runway 28.
Cleared runway 28, winds are acknowledged, Cathay Pacific 5885.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Here's now a time lapse of what else happened in the video. If you guys enjoyed this and also if it helped you, please like the video and let me know. I'll be sure to post some more content soon about flying, controlling airports, plane spotting and also being ground crew. But that's all for now. Peace.